I have pineapple.
Has an enzyme which is called bromelain, and bromelain actually erases and destroys the fingerprints of people who work with pineapples.
Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to cut up a pineapple. It looks scary, but it really isn't. You can make pina coladas, toss it in a fruit salad, eat it by itself, and you know, if you want to remove your fingerprints for something you do to commit, this is the tutorial. So basically you want to cut off the ends, and then you want to begin cutting off the skin of the pineapple. Basically you want to remove the eyes, so the circular thingos. You want to just go around in a circle and cut off that skin. Once it's cut off, you want to cut the outer parts of the pineapple flesh. So really you want to cut everything off besides the middle. Once I cut off the pineapple flesh, I like to wash the pieces, but you can do whatever you want, there are no rules, you know. And that's it. It's a really quick tutorial. Enjoy the pineapple. I'm gonna go and find sandpaper. Thanks for watching how to cut up a pineapple for refreshment and not for nefarious things. Again, let us know if you enjoy this kind of content. In the meantime, wash your hands and we'll see you next week.